Here are some things that every man should own, from grooming, tech, fragrance, travel, all that good stuff. Let's go ahead and get into it. Category number 1, fragrance. Obviously, we all want to smell good, and the best way to do that is having a high quality cologne. So my first recommendation is going to be Armani Stronger With You. I don't care if you're brand new to fragrance, this is one of the best ways to get your feet wet. It's sweet, kind of warm, and a little spicy. It's an easy compliment getter. You can wear this daily, date nights, going out, whatever you got going on. If you only had money for one fragrance, this is a solid pick. Now that you've got your new cologne, you don't want to lug it around your bag or your car. So a good pickup would be a reliable glass atomizer, super travel friendly. Fill it with whatever bottle you're wearing that week and you're good. Do not be like me and leave your expensive bottles of cologne in the car, especially when it's hot out. I had half a bottle of Tom Ford in there, and by the time I went to use it, it all evaporated. So trust me when I say an atomizer is definitely a must-have. Now I do want to give you one more fragrance option before we hop into the next category, Creed Aventus. Now I know this is a splurge pick, but I'll be honest with you, it lives up to the hype. What I will do is cop the smallest bottle, which I did. It was pretty affordable and I don't regret it at all. Now if your pockets are extra thin right now, you can go with this one. Now it's not identical, but it's in that same lane. Category number 2 is tech and everyday carry. Starting off with the Anker MagGo portable charger. Now this is honestly one that I recommend to just about anyone. Clips to the back of your phone, charges it without a cable. They even have a slim version that's super thin if you're like me and you hate the bulkiness that some portables come with. This one may be on the pricier side, so if you want something to compare it to, you can go with something like the mouse charger. It's a little sleeker, definitely charges a lot slower. If you only need it for like short moments through the day, then go with mouse. If you need long battery life, go with Anker. Next we have the Steamery handheld steamer. You don't even have to set this up. There's no board, just point it at the fabric and the wrinkles fall out in like a minute. It's built better than most steamers, and honestly if you care about aesthetics, this one looks better than almost all of them. Now if you want something cheaper, maybe a little more travel friendly, the CHI handheld is the budget version. If you have it set up in your house or apartment, I would go with the first one. Now if you want something that you can take with you on planes, not really care about it too much, then go with the second option. Category number 3 is grooming. We have the Brio Beardscape Trimmer. This one is good because it has a great battery life. The blade stays sharp, and you even get real precision when you try to line yourself up. Now if you're the type to fade yourself at home, that works too. Now I know it's not the cheapest, you might have to put some money up front, but I'm telling you it's gonna last you. You're not gonna replace it in a year. Cedar shoe trees. Cheap, boring, I know, but honestly, it's probably one of the most underrated things on this list. Now of course, they're gonna hold the shape of your shoe. But another bonus about these is that they pull moisture out of your shoes, keeping the odor to a minimum. But the main function is just making sure your shoes keep that good shape. If you have one leather sneaker that you care about, grabbing one of these is the best investment you can make. Category number 4, we have accessories and everyday carry. If you're still carrying around a bifold wallet, you gotta stop. It's an easy swap. You can go with something like Bellroy or Ridge. Just depends on your style. Now if you go with the Ridge, it's metal, so it's built to last. Only downside is it doesn't develop any character. You don't get any of those scratches, creases, patina you would get with leather. Now Bellroy is leather. Ages and patinas the more you carry it. If you want the same look in 5 years, go with Ridge. If you want something that patinas very nicely and ages with you, go with Bellroy. Touching on sunglasses, let's start off with the Ray-Ban Wayfarers. Now these are safe, looks good on everyone, classic shape, and works with almost any face shape. But if you want more of a premium version, you should check out Persol. They feel nicer, the build quality is pretty hard to beat. Now either one is a smart buy, just depends if you want the classic choice or the more premium version. Now we have caps, my favorite category. A clean hat doesn't scream for attention, but it still looks good. I would say the best ones for a more minimal look, you want to go with something with a low profile, simple colorway, and not too much going on the front. The reason I like these is because they go with pretty much anything. Plus, if you're behind on haircuts, throw this on, you can go outside without being self-conscious about it. And that brings us to category number 5, which is travel and lifestyle. Now what every man needs is a good leather toiletry bag. I used to put my stuff in a Ziploc bag. This changed the game for me. A real toiletry bag keeps everything together. Even looks better sitting on the hotel counter. Just makes you feel more put together and organized. Now you don't need a logo on this. It can be pretty minimal and plain. Now the loud, expensive ones are cool, but not cool enough to justify that price point. Now let's talk about a leather duffel / weekender bag. Listen, for short trips, this replaces that annoying backpack and rolling carry-on. Now Buffalo Jackson or Kodiak hold a lot more than what you'd expect. Plus look a lot more aesthetic than some other options. The thing I love about these is that they get better with age instead of just falling apart. Now if you want something lighter, a little more rugged, instead of full leather, Monos makes a pretty good weekender that's more travel friendly. So ultimately it's up to you and what your preference is. Those are just some things that'll make your life better. I'll drop some links in the description down below. That's all I have for you guys today. I'm out of here. Appreciate you boys for watching. I'll see you in the next one.